something I've never done before. Summer fish the St. Croix for walleye. We're on the boat with Oren over here today. It's his boat, so we're on a much nicer rig than mine. But what are we doing today? Catching to eat, or are we breaking PBs? What's your guess?
We're breaking lines.
Breaking lines, all right. I didn't know what.
Break a rod right out of the gate.
Oh yeah, with you in the boat, something's bound to break. So we'll figure it out. But hopefully we just land something. That's the goal. Not get skunked on an excessive heat warning day. But
What was the heat warning today?
yeah, I had one on my phone. I was walking down the hill. I was like, of course we did. But we got some Lindy rigs. I'll show you what that is once we get going. But right now, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Sweat through my shirt probably.
Immediately. All right, let's get after it.
This water's pretty murky, so I'm thinking high vis colors.
Okay, we'll just go with this one here. We'll just go with the small one. No.
How do I get this? Oh. That might be a snag.
And it doesn't seem like it's getting faster or slower here. Yeah, it's a snag. Couple hours into her, sweating profusely. We caught one sheephead, and that was it. We've been going over, we've been marking a ton of fish, so we're 3 mile an hour trolling some crankbaits back up to the top. So maybe we can get a reaction bite out of something if it gets right in front of their face. Otherwise, we're gonna find a pod, stop, and vertical jig them, throw some other things over top, you know, slow drag the Lindy rigs we got. Do something. See if we can catch a fish. Oh, there we go. Hit the net, you think?
God, I hope this is the right species.
A long time.
It is the right species.
There we go.
Net.
You got it right at your feet there. Hey, oh! No skunk. There we go.
Thank God.
Oh, perfect.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Looking good.
Looking good.
Let me let the focus close here. There we go.
I don't know what the eater size is on this lake.
Me neither.
Let's let him go.
There we go. Caught that one on a jigging wrap. Just bouncing her off the bottom real hard. Just came up, snatched her. That was pretty cool. There we go. We got a walleye. We came out for our target. Maybe we can just keep doing that now.
If we can go back and
keep finding pods.
keep
Finding pods and keep hitting them. Ooh, on. There we go. Well, good thing I just switched, because that thing's massive. How'd you even keep them on this whole time?
I don't know.
You hit it pretty good though?
Yeah.
That's all that matters. Oh, there was one. Give me the little brrr. Probably a little crappie or something trying to grab that big bait. There's one. Oh,
I saw that.
Come on. Oh yeah. Minnows. I saw like 1,000 of them just swim down. There's one.
Yes.
I'll take it.
Yes.
I will take it. Oh, there we go. All right, there we go. Little guy, but oh, and he self-released. Got one back there too. We doubled up. Okay, all right. Yeah. No skunk.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a better one. How about the same size?
Might be a good idea to retie
Probably, huh?
after jerking all freaking day.
Oh, it was just pulling on it.
They must be just nibbling that thing.
They're probably just grabbing the leech. Ooh, get it. We only catch the good ones around here.
One or two there.
Oh, gotta be kidding me. Oh, oh. We just need the size would be nice, huh? But hey, catching fish is catching fish.
Catching the right species.
Yeah. That's a fish. Oh, no. Oh.
It was, but it was
Ripped
great.
him off.
Damn. Nope, just yours. Using them up.
Oh, it's just
Oh, just giant. Oh, my God. Is that number like
beautiful.
6, 7 on the day?
Good release.
Biggest one of the day, too. Oh, look at that. There's one. Oh, we doubled up. Let's go. Smallie. What'd you get? Oh, better walleye.
Pulling that from now on. Sorry about that.
No, you're good. And through. Right there. Right there. Just drop it.
Nope. Here we go. Sorry about that.
There, well, little guy.
He got off.
And he got off already. Tangled now. Yeah, there we go.
Sweet double.
Yeah.
Didn't see that one coming.
No. Just like, oh, it is. It's so hot out. The lens fogged up as soon as I got out of the truck. Give me a second. All right, you guys are unfogged now. Oh, it was hot today, ladies and gentlemen. But we tried everything. Well, we tried a lot of things. We trolled crankbaits for a while. We trolled those Lindy rigs. We were snapping some jigging wraps, which that produced the most fish. Orin would be in the back. He'd catch 2. And I have my Lindy rig bouncing on the bottom right there, and they were not eating those leeches. So, I mean, there's a few things I could have done differently with the Lindy rig. I did have a pretty short leader on there. I could have extended that a little bit more. Maybe that would have helped. Not really sure why they weren't biting as much as I felt like they should have been. But regardless, we caught some. We didn't get skunked. And we definitely got to head back down there again at some point and see if we can get into some big walleyes. Spring is where it's at on that river. Just big walleyes all spring long. So that's definitely going to be a spot we hit up next year. But we'll be going back, I'm sure. I got a good month of fishing left. Maybe we can get in some more muskies. Definitely going to be getting into some more muskies. and get out on some lakes around here and see what else we can do. I would love to take a trip to Mille Lacs and go after some smallies, but I don't think it's going to happen at this point anymore. It's too big of a trip with everything we have going, and then it'll be hunting season, so I'm not going to want to waste a weekend going up there. But regardless, ladies and gentlemen, I have 3 more days that I am a remote worker. So it's going to make it really hard to get on the water when I have to start commuting back and forth to work. You know, right now my shift ends at 4. I can be on the water at 4:30 fishing. It's been a beautiful thing of remote work, is everything's ready to go, and as soon as that time clock strikes, we hook up and we go, and that's going to be going away here now. So I have 3 more days. I'm going to try to get out at least 2 of them. Enjoy the last few days I have, and hopefully we boat some fish. My next trip, no matter what, definitely going to be some muskies. If I want to do some bass, I have to buy a new rod because I lost one. So I only got 1 bait casting rod for bass now. God. Hey, Oren. I didn't talk about it. I didn't want to jinx it until we were like gone. We didn't break anything today. Look at us. Killing it. This is the first time I've gone out in a while that either he didn't break something on mine. Oh, flashback to ice fishing. Close the bail. Set the hook. Oh! And line it. Get it out. And I didn't break anything either. So that's, hey, steps in the right direction, right? But regardless, talking too much. It's just a quick little fish outing today. I look forward to getting out on the water here Thursday or Friday, maybe even Thursday and Friday, but either way, we're going to be on the water again. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you on the water.